All right, number 2. We're going to copy down in this box 2 times 4 minus 2. That's an r equals negative 2 times r plus 5. Okay, so draw your line down your equal sign. And here's my steps again. So first I'm looking for any distribution, which I see right here with these parentheses. Remember, that's what that looks like. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4r. Okay, so you just multiply the 2 by everything inside the parentheses. I see more distribution over here, so I'm going to do negative 2 times both of these. Negative 2, remember there's an invisible 1 in front of this r, so it's negative 2r. And then negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. If you have trouble with those integer operations, please type it into Desmos to check. I don't want you getting it wrong just because of that. Let's make sure we know how to solve an equation. So now the next step is to move the variable. Remember, I want you to move the smaller of the two. Between negative 4 and negative 2, negative 4 is the smaller one, so we're going to get rid of it by adding 4r to both sides. Negative 4r plus 4r cancels out. Left with 8 on this side. Negative 2 plus 4 is actually positive 2. So I have positive 2r minus 10. Okay? Now I'm going to add 10 to both sides because I'm going to look for any addition or subtraction. Get rid of that subtraction. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. So it cancels out. 8 plus 10 is 18. You're going to bring down your 2r because that's what's left. Then I'm looking for any multiplication or division. 2 times r is what's left, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I'm left with r equals 9.